it is very important for the patient to recognize the first symptom of a stroke. Hello everybody, I am Dr. Adoor Gurucharan. I am a consultant neurologist at Apollo Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road in Bangalore. The last 6 months has indeed taught us how important it is to remain healthy and to remain disease-free. For us neurologists, the most important disease that we are tackling is stroke. There are two aspects of stroke. One is to prevent stroke by leading a healthy life, and second, God forbid, if we have a stroke, how do we treat it? The most important punchline I say for all neurologists we keep saying is, time is brain and brain is time. It is very important for the patient to recognize the first symptom of a stroke, or his bystanders to recognize that his family member is having a stroke, and bring the patient on time to a stroke-ready hospital. Unfortunately, not every hospital in the city is stroke-ready, so it again is of utmost importance that they bring the patient to the right hospital. Now, we have a concept of the golden hour in stroke, that is, the minute when the patient has a stroke up to 3 or maximum 4.5 hours of stroke. If we neurologists treat the patient, the complications of stroke can be reduced and the severity of the stroke can indeed be reduced. Now, how do we plan treating a patient of stroke? The minute we get a call in the emergency department that the patient is having stroke in the particular area, our ambulance, which is again stroke ready and also has a stroke trained nurse and a stroke trained doctor, visits the patient and gives us continuous information about the patient's general condition, the severity of stroke, the blood pressure, the blood sugars and other aspects. So once the patient reaches the emergency department, without wasting much time, we take the patient directly for brain imaging. The brain imaging could be either a CT scan or an MRI. This depends on our discrepancy. It is a patient-based decision that we take, whether we shift the patient for an MRI or a CT scan. And once the CT or an MRI is done and we are assured that the patient is having stroke and the patient is well within this golden hour, we give a patient the most important injection called a clot busting injection, that is alteplase or tenecteplase. This is the injection which would not work if given after 4 hours after the onset of stroke, and that's why we say if the patient comes on time, this injection can be given to the patient and this would work wonders to the patient. Without wasting time, on the CT scan machine itself, on the CT scan platform itself, we start this injection of clot busting, and then it goes over the 1 hour, and then we shift the patient to the neuro ICU where a well-trained team of doctors including neurologists and neurointensivists take care of the patient. So this is one aspect of the clot busting injection. But a small proportion of the patients would have a major vessel occlusion. We call it LVO, large vessel occlusion. There are 4 important pipes that go from the heart to the brain. If any one of these pipes is blocked, we take the patient to the cath lab. Just like the cardiologists do angiogram and angioplasty, the similar can be performed to the brain as well. Again, time is important. The minute we have a stroke patient, within 6 hours of the stroke, this particular procedure can be done in the cath lab. And in very rare circumstances, the time frame can be extended from 6 hours to 24 hours as well. We have a completely equipped neuro and a cardiac cath lab wherein the patient can undergo a successful procedure wherein the clot can be suctioned out or even a stent can be placed if it demands to be so. So the underlying statement is stroke is very important to be treated and recognized on time. If there is any delay, even if you bring the patient to us after 24 hours, we would be helpless because we have lost the golden hour. Dear friends, let us pledge to remain healthy, to remain safe and to be stroke aware. Thank you.